Okay, we're back again with the same bike, and damn it, I have to wait on the train. Okay, back with this same bike, trying to get it done and out the door. And I was hearing this awful squealing noise, especially when I'm riding. Let's see if we can make it happen again. Okay, so hopefully you can hear that. And what I ended up doing was just walking around seeing if I could find the noise, and it just sounded like it was coming from back here some kind of way. So I was like, how is that going on? And I ended up putting my foot on the exhaust and it stopped. And then I ended up doing this right here. Let's wonder what could be causing that. Then we go and look underneath, and we're supposed to have 2 bolts here. One in this hole, one in that hole, and there ain't no bolts. I thought this thing's engine was coming apart, but it's just a loose exhaust. Check your bolts.